Assalamualaikum guys, I will show you how to visual setup in Wordpress website. Now first go to your browser. Now type business.facebook.com. And then click settings. Just wait a minute and click data source and data set. Click add. Write your data set name. I just write Unicode pixels create. And click in open in event manager. Now close. Now set up metapixel. Click. Install code manually. Click and copy this code. Now go to your website admin panel. I want to go to my website admin panel Wordpress and log in your website. Now click Appearance and click to Theme File Editor. Now scroll down and click header.php. And scroll down, head command, right to enter button. Click enter button and paste your pixel code. Now click update file. Now file edited successfully. Now go to your business manager and continue. Turn on automatic advanced switching. Continue. Go to Features Overview. Now redo to your business manager. Close. Click Test Event. Paste your website URL. Open website. Now purchase a product your website. First view content, page view and microdata process. Add to cart, view cart, process to checkout, place order, back to your event manager and see you done.